When it comes to keeping your home or office cool and comfortable, it's important to recognize the common signs that your AC unit may need repair. Some signs to look out for include strange noises coming from your unit, weak airflow, uneven cooling throughout your space, and an increase in your energy bills. If you notice any of these issues, it may be time to call in the professionals for help. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida offers a range of services to address your AC repair needs. From emergency AC services to residential HVAC repair, commercial air conditioner repair, AC maintenance services, and ductless mini split repair, their team of experts is equipped to handle any issue you may be experiencing. With their help, you can ensure that your AC unit is running smoothly and efficiently, keeping you comfortable all year round. When it comes to DIY AC repair, there are a few key tasks you can try at home before calling a professional. Central air conditioning repair may involve checking for clogged filters or debris blocking the outdoor unit. Heat pump repair may require inspecting the thermostat settings and ensuring proper airflow. Thermostat replacement can be a simple fix for temperature control issues. Air duct cleaning is essential for maintaining good indoor air quality. And refrigerant recharge may be necessary if your AC is not cooling properly. I recently had the opportunity to work with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, who helped me with all of these tasks. Their expert technicians provided guidance on central air conditioning repair, heat pump repair, thermostat replacement, air duct cleaning, and refrigerant recharge. With their assistance, I was able to successfully address the issues with my AC unit and improve its overall performance. Bold City Heating and Air's professionalism and expertise made the DIY repair process much smoother. When it comes to AC repair, understanding the process can help you make informed decisions about your HVAC system. HVAC system diagnostics are essential to identify the root cause of any issues your unit may be experiencing. Regular HVAC tune-up services can help prevent major problems down the line. Indoor air quality assessment is crucial for ensuring the air you breathe is clean and safe. Energy-efficient AC solutions not only help reduce your carbon footprint but also save you money on energy bills in the long run. AC filter replacement is a simple yet important maintenance task that can greatly improve the performance of your air conditioner. Recently, I had the opportunity to work with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, and they helped me with everything I just mentioned. Their expertise in HVAC system diagnostics and indoor air quality assessment was impressive. They also provided energy-efficient AC solutions and performed thorough AC tune-up services. I highly recommend their services for all your AC repair needs. When it comes to maintaining your air conditioning system, there are several key services that can help keep your unit running efficiently. These services include condenser coil cleaning, air handler repair, evaporator coil maintenance, AC compressor replacement, and zone control system installation. Condenser coil cleaning is important for removing dirt and debris that can block airflow and reduce the efficiency of your system. Air handler repair ensures that the fan and motor are working properly to distribute cool air throughout your home. Evaporator coil maintenance helps to prevent ice buildup and ensure proper cooling. If your AC compressor is failing, it may need to be replaced to restore cooling capabilities. Additionally, a zone control system installation can help you regulate the temperature in different areas of your home, saving energy and increasing comfort. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, provided me with exceptional service for all of these AC repair needs, ensuring that my system is running smoothly and efficiently. When it comes to environmental impact, AC repair and maintenance are crucial factors to consider. Smart thermostat integration can help optimize energy usage, while UV light air purification can improve indoor air quality. Airflow balancing ensures that each room receives adequate cooling, while ductwork sealing prevents energy waste. In case of emergencies, timely AC compressor repair can prevent further damage and environmental impact. Fortunately, Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida offers a range of services to address these issues. From smart thermostat integration to emergency AC compressor repair, they have the expertise to handle any HVAC needs. With their help, I was able to improve my system's efficiency and reduce its environmental impact. Bold City Heating and Air's commitment to quality service and environmental responsibility sets them apart in the HVAC industry. When it comes to AC repair services, having access to fast response technicians is crucial. That's why it's important to choose experienced HVAC professionals who offer 24/7 AC repair services. In Jacksonville, Florida, finding affordable AC repair can be a challenge, but there are licensed and insured HVAC contractors who can help. As the technology in AC repair continues to advance, it's essential to have a team of experts who are knowledgeable about the latest innovations. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, offers all of these services and more. Their fast response AC technicians are always ready to assist with any HVAC issues, providing affordable solutions without compromising on quality. With a team of experienced professionals, Bold City Heating and Air is a trusted choice for all your AC repair needs. Choosing licensed and insured HVAC contractors like Bold City Heating and Air ensures that you receive top-notch service and peace of mind. When it comes to the future of AC repair technology, having a reliable team on your side is key. When it comes to AC repair needs, the weather plays a significant role in determining when and how often repairs may be necessary. Extreme temperatures, high humidity, and severe weather conditions can all put added stress on your HVAC system, leading to potential breakdowns or malfunctions. This is why it is important to have your air conditioning system regularly maintained by NATE-certified technicians to ensure it is running efficiently and effectively all year round. In Jacksonville, Florida, where the weather can be hot and humid for a large part of the year, having access to BBB-accredited HVAC companies like Bold City Heating and Air is crucial. They offer guaranteed AC repair services, free AC repair estimates, and financing options for AC repairs, making it easier for homeowners to address any issues that may arise with their cooling systems. Bold City Heating and Air has been a trusted partner in keeping my HVAC system in top condition, providing reliable service and expert advice whenever I need it. When choosing the right AC repair company, there are a few key factors to consider. Preventive maintenance plans can help keep your AC system running smoothly and prevent costly repairs down the line. Warranties on AC repair work provide added peace of mind that you'll be covered if anything goes wrong. Trusted AC repair reviews can give you insight into the quality of service a company provides. In Jacksonville, Florida, there are many top-rated AC repair companies to choose from. Customer satisfaction guaranteed is a must when selecting a company to work on your AC unit. I recently had the pleasure of working with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, and I can confidently say that they excel in all of these areas. Their preventive maintenance plans are comprehensive, their warranties on AC repair work are solid, and their trusted AC repair reviews speak for themselves. When it comes to customer satisfaction, Bold City Heating and Air truly delivers.